Alrighty, we are starting off in the utility room here today. We have a nice stack here, which we will not be utilizing, because as you can see, the water heater was installed so close to the cleanout that they're touching, so you're not going to be able to start drawing that out, because it's just going to press against the water heater, and you're never going to get that out. So we're going to go ahead and recommend that this be moved to allow access to the cleanout here so that it can actually be used. So instead we're going to go in through the Studer bin here. Which in this case is not my favorite alternative, but it's the only access point we have right now. Alrighty, because of the poor access point, we can't really get leverage on the line, so we're already getting bound up in turns. We're going to go ahead and turn on some water, see if that alleviates our issues here. Alrighty, so the Studer vent's not going to be viable access for us to be able to complete the inspection today. Again, this is the only cleanout that is not even cleanout. This is the only access point that we have here in the basement. All other cleanouts have either been walled off or made inaccessible. So we're going to recommend that the cleanouts be made accessible by a handyman or licensed third-party plumber. Really, if that water heater was just sat down 2 or 3 more inches to the right, this wouldn't have been a problem. But unfortunately, whoever installed this water heater put it pressed up against the sanitary tee cleanout, which is your primary access point for doing maintenance, but also for these inspections. So we need that addressed, or an alternate access point provided. One that will allow us to have proper push force and leverage to actually get through the line.